Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. This is Meeden black gloss paint. And I'd like to leave some white negative space and use my tools to add some texture now. But I don't know what's going to happen. I'd like to black around the edges. And I've got rubber brushes, but I've also got my favorite spatulas. As long as I can swivel this around. Now with enough paint in enough places, I would theorize that I could use having fun every step of the way. It might be cool just the way it is without anything else. I don't want to go too far, and it sort of seems like I might have already gone too far. When I pick up a bunch of black on the brush, I can use those residuals to fill in areas. Now, you know what? I've got my nail art tool somewhere close by. Well, I've got one of them anyway. I love how the cross-hatching re-emerges even after I covered it. And quickly running out of playtime though. As paint dries. I am glad I blacked my edges. That's fun. That was fun. Thank you for joining me. Well, neat. Could just varnish it like it is. Okay, I'm back and this is dry. And I've put 3 little dots of gold down. Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. And I like the way it looks enough to take a chance, so I'm just going to talk to you for right now. And fast forward through the dots until I'm done. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe.
That's it, I'm
Choose
done.
all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.